Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another stock portfolio update. And I'm going to put a picture up on screen, a screenshot from our last stock portfolio update, and see the progress that we've kind of made here. So, check this out. Our total assets are now $2,060. And check out all the stocks that I own. So, it's all the same stocks from my last portfolio update, but as you can see, we are up on all of them except for bild.com, Bill Holdings right here. But if we check out bild.com stock, this stock is up like for the past 2 weeks. It's basically gone straight up. And if you look at today it went up like crazy on the most recent candle. But we'll talk about each individual stock as we're going on. But yeah, don't forget to hit the like button if you kind of like my stock portfolio update videos. And I'll talk about why at the end of the video. Make sure you stay at the end of the video because I got to explain why I can't make another stock portfolio update for 3 more months. But anyway, let's see how my other stocks are doing, like Cubsmart right here. Look at how this stock is done. It's gone absolutely crazy since I've bought it. I guess I literally remember when I bought it on this day, I'm like, yo, this could go lower. I probably shouldn't buy this. Like, that's the mindset I had at the time. And I'm like, I should have bought more. But when I bought it down here, my first shares, I bought like 5 shares down here at this $33.45. I'm like, yo, this I could just lose more on this, but it ended up being one of my best returners because it's worth $404 and Bill.com is worth 408. But anyway, let's check out how my other stocks are doing, like Docusign. Docusign has recovered quite good. As soon as I opened up my shares, it fell quite a bit, but ever since then, it's recovered. And today it reached a new high. It reached $44.33. I don't want to add to my Docusign position because I'm more bullish on some other positions like Perion and TLTW. Now, let me show you Perion, ticker symbol PERI. This is a super profitable cash flow machine. They are an advertising company. And I'm really liking this one. They don't pay any dividends. It's a pure growth stock, but I love the actual growth of their numbers. Of course, in this video, we're not doing any deep dives into why I bought the stocks. If you want to see why I bought the stocks, watch my first 2 videos on my stock portfolio updates because I own these same stocks and I actually go into details on why I bought them. So the next stock we have on the list is Fiverr. Fiverr went up like crazy. I was getting trolled in the comments. There were some people leaving comments like, dude, what were you doing with Fiverr? It felt like crazy. It was right here. So Fiverr reported earnings right here. It went from $25 and it fell all the way down to $21. And I'm like, that's crazy. So I bought some more shares down here right at $21. And ever since then, it's gone straight up. And now I'm up 20% on the position. Of course, hindsight, I should have bought more. But hey, that's pretty cool. I'm up 21.54% on Fiverr. And for my last position down here, we have ticker symbol TLTW. Now, I always say I wish I bought more of this ETF, but this ETF on average pays you like 45 cents every single month per share, and I have 9 shares. So I get about $4 every single month just for owning that ETF, and that really brings up the dividend yield in my portfolio because TLTW has a very sustainable 18% dividend yield, and I mean very sustainable. And so, actually, I want to talk about something. So, everyone knows TSLY, and everyone knows that they do the same thing. They do a covered call strategy, but I don't like TSLY because the underlying asset of TSLA goes up and down like crazy. It's such a volatile stock. Look at it over the past 5 years. It's gone up and down, fluctuates like crazy. But I like TLTW because it tracks something known as ticker symbol TLT, which is the US 20-year Treasury bond, and it literally just slowly goes up in one direction. There should never be some insane day where it goes up 10%. There's going to be nothing like that. And when you have a stock like Tesla that does do that, you get higher returns, but you're more likely to get your covered call actually called. But anyway, let me stop talking about that. That was basically the portfolio update. I hope you enjoyed. And why can't I make another video for the next 3 months? Because YouTube actually demonetized me. I've reached out to their support team. I'm hoping they'll help me out here and reinstate it. But looks like I'm not going to be able to make any more videos for the next 3 months because the ads you watch on this video, YouTube gets 100% of the revenue. So there's no motivation for me to make any videos. YouTube kind of bent me over. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you'll come back in a couple months and see my stock portfolio update then, because remember, once I buy a stock in this portfolio, I will never sell it. So when you come back in 3 months, you'll see all the stocks that I've added to this and how these stocks have done right here. So as always, I'm your friend, Nathan Robert. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.